Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make cleaning your home a breeze, the ElecKeys Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. We found this gem online, and you can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. The ElecKeys Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight stick cleaner that packs a powerful 650 watts and boasts an impressive suction power of 55 kilopascals. Designed for versatility, this vacuum is perfect for various surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, and even tackling pet hair. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its self-standing design, allowing you to park it anywhere without the need for a wall mount. Let's talk about the features that really set the ElecKeys apart. First off, the touchscreen interface is a modern touch, making it easy to control the vacuum settings with just a tap. You can quickly switch between different cleaning modes, ensuring that you get the best performance no matter what surface you're dealing with. Another crucial feature is the anti-tangle technology, which helps prevent hair from getting caught in the brush, saving you time and hassle during cleanup. This vacuum is perfect for a wide range of users. If you have pets, you'll appreciate how effortlessly it picks up hair from carpets and upholstery. It's also ideal for busy households where quick cleanups are essential, or for anyone who prefers a lightweight option that's easy to maneuver. If you live in a small apartment or have limited storage space, the ElecKeys Cordless Vacuum's compact design allows you to store it conveniently without taking up too much room. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and quickly needing to tidy up before guests arrive. The ElecKeys vacuum can run for up to 70 minutes on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to clean multiple rooms without having to stop and recharge. Whether you're dealing with crumbs on the kitchen floor, pet hair on the couch, or dust bunnies hiding under the bed, this vacuum can handle it all. Additionally, its lightweight design means you can carry it effortlessly from room to room or even to your car for a quick cleanup. Think about how much easier it would be to maintain a clean environment when you have a reliable vacuum that does the job efficiently and without the hassle of cords. In conclusion, the ElecKeys Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning solution. Whether you're a pet owner, a busy parent, or just someone who values a clean home, this vacuum is designed to meet your needs and simplify your cleaning routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.